I'm Jake from FFX and I'm with Chris at Bosch HQ, where we're going to be taking a deeper dive into the BiTurbo 18V brushless grinders.
So in the Bosch professional angle grinder range, we've got plenty of tools. Within the BiTurbo range, we've also got quite a number of different models, but let's have a look at this one in detail. This is the GWX18V15SC. This is an X-Lock grinder running again, as I said, on the 18V battery platform, but because it's Pro Core and running on BiTurbo, this gives you the corded equivalent performance of a 1500 watt small angle grinder. You see at the back here, we have a number of meshed vents to help bring the airflow through into the BiTurbo brushless motor to keep the machine cool. This particular model is also connected, so you can go in and make some changes to the machine. You see here, this particular model has a lock-on switch. On the top, we have the interface. Here you have your human-machine interface that gives you some here you have a high temperature indicator, particularly important if you're using this angle grinder very heavily, which obviously is designed to be done. You have a battery indicator, so you can see whether or not the machines are fully charged, depleted or whatever. The actual color of the screen itself will change color depending on the condition of the tool. Green means everything's okay. Yellow might indicate the battery's getting flat or the machine's starting to overheat, and then red will indicate if there's some kind of problem or if the battery's been depleted. You'll see there's a number of indicators on this machine because this machine also features both drop control and kickback control. And then finally you have a button on the front here that allows you to change between the preset speed settings up to a maximum RPM of 11,000. You can modify those in the app so you can change them to whatever application you're doing or whatever accessory you're using speed settings. On the front here you can see we've got a vibration reduction side handle, and then most importantly you've got your X-Lock lever, because remember this is a GWX, which means this is an X-Lock angle grinder, meaning you've got quick, fast and easy and tool-free accessory changes. I'll show a quick demonstration on exactly how easy the X-Lock system is. So as an example, I've got a Expert Diamond multi-wheel. I can just offer it up to the X-Lock grinder, place it on, push it down, you get a very clean, crisp click. That accessory is now on and ready to go. And to remove it, it's just as easy. Lever on the top. You don't have to touch the blade. You don't have to worry about dry flanges, nuts, spanners. You don't need any of that, mate. Straight on. One other advantage is, if you have a directional blade, you cannot put a directional blade incorrectly on an X-Lock grinder. It won't allow you. You can only put the accessories on the correct way. As discussed earlier, this machine has a number of safety features, drop control and kickback control. When using this grinder in any kind of application, the machine were to kick, the machine will detect that sudden acceleration and switch off safely. I'll do a demonstration. The interface now flashes red and the machine is switched off and will not work until you reset. This could save you from a potentially nasty injury. In addition, as this is a lock-on grinder, if you were to drop this grinder, the machine will also detect that and switch off before or as it hits the ground. Again, saving you from a potentially nasty injury. So this machine in front of us is also a BiTurbo brushless grinder. This is the GWX18V15SC 18v. The advantage of this machine is it is running a 180mm blade. It is a BiTurbo brushless machine, so it's running on a single 18V battery, giving you the cutting performance of a large angle grinder, if not better. The cutting depth on this machine, 180mm disc, is 61mm. With a standard large angle grinder, you're looking in the region of about 59. So what we've got here is a small angle grinder running on a single 18V battery with a safety protection switch that cuts up to the same cutting capacity as a mains-powered large angle grinder. This machine also features all the same safety features we had on some of our previous machine. So this machine also features drop and kickback control. Automatically switches off if this machine kicks, so it does help reduce the chance of potential injury. The paddle switch, again, or some people call it a dead man switch, means it is a momentary switch. So as soon as you let go of that grinder, the machine will switch off to keep you safer on site. However, if you haven't made the leap to X-Lock yet, that's fine because we still have the entire range available in the M14 mount. As you can see, this is the GWS M14 mount, but X-Lock is the way to go with the GWX18V15SC.